Hello dear learners, I'm Dr. Jyoti Mathur, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. Welcome to today's session. Business cycles are the ups and downs in economic activity, defined in terms of period of expansion or recession. During expansion, the economy measured by the indicators like job, production, and sales is growing. Recession are periods when the economy is shrinking or contracting. To seek an explanation of the causes of business cycle, we have to study the important theories which have been put forward from time to time to throw light on the highly complex phenomenon of the capitalist world. Dear learners, today's module comprises of two non-monetary theories of business cycle. You will learn about the sunspot theory and its criticism and the psychological theory and its criticism. Let us start with the sunspot theory of business cycle. This theory is perhaps the oldest theory of business cycle. It was developed in 1875 by W. Stanley Jevons, the celebrated British economist. He laid down the proposition that variation in the atmosphere of the sun, as evidenced in frequency and magnitude of sunspots, determine the rhythmical fluctuations of business cycle. Sunspots are storms on the surface of the sun caused by violent nuclear explosion. Jevons argued that sunspots affect weather on the earth. At definite interval, certain dark spots appear on the face of the sun, which affect the transmission of heat to the earth. This affects the agriculture crops, which in turn influence the level of business activity. If, due to sunspots, agriculture crops fail, the entire economy would be adversely affected and will be engulfed in a depression, as agriculture sector is an important contributor to the GDP of a nation. The depression starting from the agriculture sector will soon be spread to the entire economy. On the other hand, if the sunspots do not appear on the face of the sun, the rainfall will be good and there might be an excellent agriculture production, eventually resulting in the prosperity of the entire economy. The economies of underdeveloped and developing countries heavily depend on agriculture. Changes in climate condition due to sunspots produce fluctuations in agricultural output. Changes in agricultural output through its demand and input-output relation affect industry. Thus, swings in agricultural output spreads throughout the economy. Even today, weather is considered as important in fast-developing economy like India. In India, agriculture plays a very important role. Primary sector ensures that all other sectors of the economy would be growing. In case of lack of monsoon, there will be drought and the entire agriculture productivity would be affected. It affects the income of the farmers and therefore reduces demand for industrial products. It may further be noted that higher food prices reduce income available to be spent on industrial goods. This causes industrial recession. Even in USA, in the year 1988, a severe drought in the farm belt drove up the price of food grains around the world. Let us look at the criticism of the sunspot theory. The theory was criticized as it lacked scientific character. The sunspot existence and its correlation has not been scientifically established. Many economists have criticized the theory as it fails to explain business cycle with reference to industrial-driven economies. Because if we accept this theory, then its result will immune industrialized countries from the operation of business cycle. But the fact is, business cycle does not spare industrial dominant countries and they suffer more due to fluctuations of business cycle. To conclude the sunspot theory, we can say that the criticism of the theory does not dismiss it absolutely, as there seems to be a crop cycle, and it is reasonable to suppose that these crop cycles do have their effect or repercussions upon the business activity as a whole. Dear learners, let us continue with one more of non-monetary theory, the psychological theory of business cycle. This theory is associated with the name of renowned English economist Professor A.C. Pigou, who developed this theory in his well-known work, Industrial Fluctuations. This theory attempts to explain the business cycle phenomenon on the basis of the changes in the psychology of industrialists, businessmen, and bankers. Professor Pigou emphasized the role of psychological factors in the generation of trade cycle. According to the theory, business fluctuations are the result of wave of optimism and pessimism among the business community, specifically the entrepreneurs and the bankers. During the period of good trade, entrepreneurs become optimistic, which would lead to increase in production. The feeling of optimism is spread to others, hence investment are increased beyond limits and there is overproduction. Overproduction enhances the supply in relation to demand, which results in market fall and cumulative losses. Entrepreneurs become pessimistic and reduce their investment and production. There is a general atmosphere of gloom and despair throughout the country, which leads to slump in the entire country. The gloom and despair are thus due to the alternative waves of optimism and pessimism on the part of investors. Let us have a look at the criticism of the psychological theory of business cycle. The psychological theory has been criticized on the grounds that it does not furnish a comprehensive explanation of business cycle. It only states a part of the truth and not the entire truth. According to this theory, the fluctuation in business activities are due to alternating waves of optimism and pessimism in the moods of businessmen. True, but the theory fails to explain the causes of these alternating waves as they are not self-generated. To conclude, the psychological theory of business cycle, it will be wise to say that it is not useless theory of business cycle. The theory has an element of truth in it. Changes in psychology of businessmen do affect fluctuations in business activities. Depression in the economy deepens the overall pessimistic psychology of the investors. Likewise, boom highlights the overall optimistic outlook of the businessmen. In short, the psychological factors are accentuating rather than originating factors of business cycle. So this is about the two non-monetary theories, that is the sunspot theory and the psychological theory of business cycle. I believe it is well understandable to all. Thank you all so much. Happy learning.